There is a specific kind of modern anxiety that comes with a large cardboard box arriving at the front door. It usually signals hours of frustration, lost hex keys, and a confusing instruction manual that feels like a test of character. But the Nigoone 103-inch boneless sectional offers a different path. It is a rare example of furniture that asks nothing of the person receiving it, other than a bit of patience and a gentle tap. This is the no assembly promise kept in full. Upon unboxing, these pieces begin a slow, silent expansion, reclaiming their shape over 48 hours like a living thing waking up from a long sleep. The design is boneless, which is a humble way of saying it has moved past the rigid, unforgiving frames of the past. By using high-resilience foam instead of hardwood or metal edges, the couch creates a sanctuary that feels less like a piece of furniture and more like a cloud held captive in a living room. With a 68-inch lounge chaise, there is an abundance of space to stretch out, making the L-shaped configuration a masterclass in space optimization. It fits against a wall to save room, yet it commands the center of attention because of how inviting it looks. The fabric is an upgraded, breathable material that feels natural to the touch, yet it possesses a hidden strength. It is built to survive the chaos of a real home, the crumbs, the pets, and the high-speed life of a family. Durability isn't just a marketing word here. It's a lived reality. This is a couch that can be vacuumed like a floor, standing up to the heavy-handed cleaning habits of teenagers without losing its charm. The color itself is a bit of a chameleon, shifting with the rhythm of the day. In the bright, direct heat of the afternoon sun, it presents as a sophisticated dark gray. As the sun sets and the room moves into lower light, it deepens into a rich, solid black. It adapts to the environment rather than forcing the environment to adapt to it. Because it is modular, the two pieces can be rearranged at will. They can move through tight hallways and narrow doors that would stop a traditional sofa in its tracks, making every corner of a home work a little harder. The real danger of this sectional, however, is its comfort. There is a gravity to it. Once someone sits down, the desire to get back up begins to evaporate. It is the kind of furniture that turns a quick movie into an accidental 3-hour nap. The back is higher than many contemporary modular sets, providing actual support instead of just a low-profile aesthetic. There might be tiny imperfections in how the foam puffs up in the first few days, a small price to pay for the lack of a skeletal frame, but these fade into the background once the sheer softness takes over. Choosing a piece like this is an investment in the quality of daily life. It is about removing the friction of assembly and replacing it with the luxury of a 103-inch footprint that welcomes everyone. It might cost more than the flimsy alternatives that come in 100 pieces, but there is a profound value in quality that actually lasts. When a piece of furniture becomes the most comfortable spot in the house, the place where the family naturally gravitates and where sleep comes easily, the price tag begins to look like a bargain. It is a solid, dependable foundation for a home, built for those who want to spend less time building their furniture and more time actually living on it.